In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user roles and invite users in Zoho Books. To get started, open your browser and go to Zoho Books, then sign into your organization's account. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one, because the users and roles you set up will apply only to the selected organization. Once you're on the Zoho Books dashboard, look towards the top right or bottom left corner of the screen, depending on your layout, and click on the settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear symbol. Settings is where you manage all of your core configurations, including users, taxes, templates, and more, so it's a good place to get familiar with. Inside the settings page, find and click on the option called Users and Roles. This section is specifically designed to help you control who has access to your Zoho Books account and what they can do once they're in. Properly configuring this helps you keep your financial data secure and prevents accidental changes. Within users and roles, you'll see two main areas, one for users and one for roles. For now, click on users. This will display a list of everyone who currently has access to your Zoho Books organization, along with their status and assigned role. To add someone new, click on the Invite User button. This opens a form where you'll enter the details of the person you want to invite. Here, carefully fill in the required information, such as their name and email address. Double-check the email address, because this is where the invitation link will be sent, and any mistake will prevent them from receiving access. Next, you'll see an option to assign a role. Click on the role drop-down and select the most appropriate role for that user. Roles determine what they can view and what actions they can perform, such as creating invoices, viewing reports, or managing settings. Take a moment to choose a role that matches their responsibilities. If you already have custom roles defined, you'll see them here as well. Once all the details are filled in and the correct role is selected, review everything one more time. When you're ready, click on Send Invite. Zoho Books will email the user an invitation link, and once they accept it, they'll be added to your users list with the role you